Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing a very important update for steel importers in India, obtaining NOC under SIMS 2.0. If you want to know more about SIMS 2.0, please watch our video on SIMS registration that details out the specific procedures and documents required. It is compulsory to obtain SIMS registration for import of steel products in India, and to obtain SIMS registration, it is compulsory to have a BIS registration. Now, what if you want to import steel products that do not have a BIS certification? Yes, you can still import without BIS by obtaining an NOC from the Ministry of Steel, but only under specific conditions. In this video, we will discuss NOC in detail. So, let's get started. What is NOC in the new SIMS 2.0 regime? Under the upgraded steel import monitoring system, that is SIMS 2.0, if you are importing steel products not covered under mandatory BIS certification, you are required to obtain a No Objection Certificate, that is NOC, from the Ministry of Steel. But remember, an NOC is granted only under very specific conditions. Now, what are these conditions under which an NOC is granted? You must apply for an NOC when the steel product you intend to import does not have a BIS certification, or the product does not fall under any mandatory BIS standard applicable for imports into India. But not all applications get approval. The Ministry of Steel will issue an NOC only if all three of the following conditions are satisfied. One, being steel grade not covered under existing BIS standard. That is, the steel grade you are importing must not be listed under any current BIS standard. Two, being steel grade not available domestically. The steel grade must not be manufactured by any domestic producer in India. And lastly, no suitable domestic replacement. There should be no alternative grade available domestically that can replace the imported product. Now, let's move on to another very important part. Other key guidelines that you must strictly follow while applying for and using the NOC under SIMS 2.0. Let's go through them one by one. First is validity and quantity limit. When your NOC is issued, it is valid only for a period of 6 months from the date of approval. This means you must plan and complete all your imports under that NOC within 6 months. Also, the NOC will specify a total quantity limit covering the total volume of steel you mentioned during your application. If your imports exceed this approved quantity, you will need to apply for a fresh NOC. So, it's important to plan your imports carefully. Not too much, not too little. Next is consignment registration. Every individual shipment that you bring under the NOC needs to be registered separately on the SIMS 2.0 portal. The system will maintain a live ledger for you, which will track how much quantity you have already imported and how much is still pending under your NOC. And guess what? The details of every consignment you register will be automatically shared with all the concerned government departments. This brings full transparency and reduces manual approvals. Here's a crucial point: consignment liability. The Ministry of Steel has made it very clear it is not responsible if your steel consignment reaches India before your NOC is officially issued. So always remember, do not dispatch your goods from the exporting country until your NOC is approved and is in your hand. Otherwise, your shipment might get stuck at customs, causing you delays and losses. Another critical guideline is accurate documentation. The documents you upload at the time of NOC application, like invoices, technical specifications, and certifications, must exactly match the documents you submit at the time of the actual import. Any mismatch, even a small one, can lead to serious problems during customs clearance process. And finally, penalty for misinterpretation. If it is found that you provided wrong information, or if the documents during import do not match those submitted earlier, then the importer will be banned from receiving any NOC under SIMS 2.0 for the next 1 year. That's why it is extremely important to double check all your documents and declarations before submitting your NOC application. Now, what are these documents that we are talking about? What are the documents required to obtain an NOC under SIMS 2.0? Basic details, basic import details covering country of origin, port of loading, port of destination, HS code, product description, quantity in metric tons and value in INR. Exporter information including exporter's name, email, contact number, country and full address. Importer information that includes branch code, address, district, state, PIN code and type of importer, that is whether trader, manufacturer or end user. Manufacturer information, that is manufacturer's name, address, email ID, website link, etc. Product specifications including dimensions, that is length, diameter, thickness, etc. and basic chemical and physical properties. Some mandatory additional documents to be submitted include mill test certificate, product photograph and copy of the industrial standard like ASTM, JIS, ISO, etc. And lastly, details on future import, that is expected quantity to be imported and the purpose of import, that is the end use. What is the procedure to obtain NOC under SIMS 2.0? Step 1. Documentation. Get all your documents ready. Step 2. Application. Apply for NOC on the new SIMS 2.0 portal. Step 3. Answering deficiencies. In case the Ministry of Steel needs any clarification or any more documents, they will issue a deficiency memo that has to be answered. Step 4. Obtaining NOC. Once they are satisfied and the deficiency any is clarified, an NOC will be issued to the importer. We hope this video helped you understand the updated NOC requirements under SIMS 2.0. At AV International, we assist all importers in obtaining SIMS registration, NOC approvals and complete compliance solution. If you need any expert help, feel free to reach out to us. Visit our website at avigroup.in or contact us through the details given below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such informative content. See you in the next video. Thanks a lot.